this video, I'll show you how to replace a video background in Canva. Start by opening a new video design project. Go to Uploads, click Upload Files, and select your video. Click to add the video to the page. Adjust its size and position as needed. Next, click BG Remover to delete the video background. Go to the Elements tab. Search for your desired background keyword and switch to the video category. Find the video background you want, then click to add it to the page. Right-click the background video and choose Set Video as Background. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.